Nobody's scared of these demons and these people out here. These manipulators, backstabbers, they all corrupted at high levels. Ways you won't believe. But no matter, no worry. You still here pressing. The truth rises, man. Full armor of Yah. Holy fire war. Source energy. The Most High. Emmanuel. Many names. Many names out here. Praise you, Christ. Praise you, Yah. They try to project evil. They are defeated in Jesus' name. And that's the thing. If they really got an issue, they can come see me. I'm solo dolo. I don't operate in fear. But that's how you know.